Hello friends, welcome back to Rising Mathematics. In this video, we are going to solve this question based on the concept of delta derivative of functions in time scale. Question is, let f of t equals to t square be a function. Prove that delta derivative of function f is sigma t plus t for all points t belonging to set t to the power k. We will start our proof. Firstly, we will recall definition of delta derivative of functions in time scale. So, for a function f defined from time scale t to set of real number r and a point t belonging to set t to the power k, if f delta t is the number provided it exists such that for any epsilon positive there is a neighborhood, say u of point t of this form, for some delta positive for which we have the condition modulus of f of sigma t minus f of s minus f delta t multiplied by sigma t minus s is less than or equal to epsilon times modulus of sigma t minus s for all points s in this neighborhood u of point t. Then we call f delta t as a delta or Hilger derivative of function f of t. So, in order to prove that for a given function f, its delta derivative is sigma t plus t, we are going to satisfy this condition for f delta t equals to sigma t plus t. So, we will do that. Consider t is a given time scale and a function f from time scale t to r such that f delta t equals to t square. Then, for a point t belonging to set t to the power k and any epsilon positive, consider a point s belonging to this neighborhood of point t. Now, since s is in this neighborhood, we have modulus of t minus s is strictly less than epsilon. Or in other words, since s is a point in this neighborhood of point t, distance between s and t will be strictly less than epsilon. This is clear. And further we have modulus of f of sigma t minus f of s minus sigma t plus t multiplied by sigma t minus s. So, here we are trying to satisfy this condition. So, here we have replaced f delta t by sigma t plus t. So, we get this. Now, further we have f of sigma t square, since we have f of t equals to t square. Also, f of s will be s square. This sigma t plus t and sigma t minus s will remain as it is. Further simplification gives sigma t minus s sigma t plus s, since this will give these two terms and these two terms will remain as it is. Further simplification gives modulus of sigma t minus s multiplied by modulus of t minus s. Now, since we have modulus of t minus s is strictly less than epsilon, so we have this term will be less than or equal to epsilon times modulus of sigma t minus s. So, we have satisfied this condition for f delta t to be the delta derivative of function f. So, we have f delta t equals to this sigma t plus t, and therefore delta derivative of a given function f, that is f of t equals to t square, will be sigma t plus t for all points t belonging to set t to the power k, and this completes our solution.